really wants to do, I will say to him, you do that. And forget the money. Because if you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Alright guys, we're here. I think I'm gonna take cover under this tree. And as you can see, it's snowing so hard. I don't know how much of a success this is gonna be, but it's gonna be fun to try out. Hope my shit doesn't get wet. Probably will, but fuck it.
It's so important to consider this question. What do I desire?
I crashed out, my vision got blurry. I think the FPV cam got some water on it, but that was crazy. There's so much snow pouring down. Can't wait to see the footage, but first I need to find my quad. All right, let's go find it. Damn, this snow is crazy. So much fun. I couldn't feel my thumb, so I was doing it all. I don't know how I was flying. And such a shame, man. My goggle or the FPV camera fogged up. I couldn't see shit. But I still kept on flying. Because, yeah, it's just awesome. I think I smacked one of these trees. Let's hope I find it, man. Smacked it somewhere around here. sure. Oh, there it is. Woohoo! Success! Woo! Crazy, man. I'm happy I found it. I'm gonna head back home because I know this water is not good for all this equipment. So I'm gonna head home, dry it off. And I was watching the weather online, and in about an hour it's gonna stop snowing. So then I'm gonna head back. Answer the question. A quad can rip through snow. No problem. The only problem that's gonna happen is that the water is gonna hit your lens, the snow, so you can't see shit. But if we try to find a solution for that, we can rip through the snow, through the rain, no problem.
3 hours later.